Namba ya arutwo thukuru-ini cia JSS itanyitwo kuongerereka kuma arutwo milioni 2,170,429 mwaka wa 2024 kinyagia arutwo milioni 3,289,450 mwaka ukite. Ministry ya Githomo ikiugira fatara shiringi bilioni 46.1 angikorwo o murutwo ni akamukira kigina kiria kiagirire ya shiringi 15,000 na shiringi 42.
The other thing which has not been funded, Chair, is 622 million shillings which we require for primary school special needs education. The other item, Chair, that has not been adequately funded is that on the free day secondary education, we have a deficit of 12.7 billion shillings, or an equivalent of 540 students who will not be funded if we use the full capitation of 22,000 shillings.
Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie githomo, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang atariria ati hari nyongerera ya besha iria irabatarania ni shiringi milioni 453 besha cia marihi ma thukuru kuri arutwo 12,672 aria mari mawathe na aria mekwiyongerera ithabu-ini ria arutwo a JSS mwaka ukite. O murutwo akiamukira shiringi 35,730.
We give a top up of 35,000 shillings per child on special needs children, another 3,000 shillings for primary school. So, Chair, the way that we have looked at and the way that we are going into the future is that we would want to have more of our children not in special needs schools but in integrated schools, so that they can benefit from learning from one another.
Thiini wa mendekithia maria maheanitwo kuri kamiti ino kuri kigina kia muigana wa shiringi bilioni 7 iria inyihitio kuma tabarira-ini itiganite ari hamwe na shiringi bilioni 4.9 iria inyihitio kuma tabarira ya irio mathukuru-ini, shiringi bilioni 1.5 besha cia marihi ma thukuru cia secondary, shiringi bilioni 1.2 cia marihi ma thukuru cia muthingi na shiringi milioni 347 besha cia mahuthiro mangi ma thukuru.
That is why when you look at targets of this year, it may look like we are going down, but it is only that now we have forever released the 7th class and we shall only be having 6 classes, and the numbers now will stabilize at what looks like lower numbers.
Ministry ya Githomo ona kuhanura uguo ni yuritie kamiti ino gucokia kigina kiria kigayagirwo tabarira ya irio mathukuru-ini niguo gutigirira arutwo kuma county iria igunikaga na tabarira ino matinatigiriro na thutha kimathomo.
This country has been known for actually assist learners across the republic, and members of parliament who are here today have been beneficiaries of school feeding. That we bring it back. However, the ministry needs to be accountable to the Republic on the monies that you are given on the school feeding. Take the members through, take everyone through, so that we are actually on it.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadiro.